beautiful darlings, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I have another wig install for y'all. I'm working with the Aorbige, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but the Aorbige hair company from Amazon, and they sent me some hair. So I'm just opening the package now, and this is what the hair looks like. It is a highlighted wig. It's blonde and brown. It is so cute. It reminds me of like a Reese's Pieces, but that's what they gave to me, and I'm just gonna be installing this. It is a 20-inch T-part wig. Has a T-part right there. It has a black thick band in the back, which a lot of my wigs don't usually come with, so that's cool for adjustment. And then it has these clips as well, and also has some combs on the sides. I don't really use those, but I know that some people do. But this hair is really soft. I love the length of it. This is gonna go probably mid-back. I'm 5'3". It's a body wave wig, but I don't know if I want to straighten it. I'll probably wear it both ways. But let's go ahead and get into this. I think I'm gonna do a little talk through, because for my last wig installs I didn't really say much. I just kind of put the wig on and let y'all watch. But today I'm feeling kind of talkative, so I want to try to explain to you how I install my wig, just in case some of you do not know how to, or you want to learn more about it, or if you just want to know how I install my wigs. Like I said in my previous videos, I do not do much to my wigs, but I'll just talk through with y'all. So this wig cap is actually kind of tight, so I want to cut off the elastic band. It just really made me have a headache the other day at work. But I have stopped doing much to the wig cap. I no longer use my foundation to color it. I just leave it as is. I'm just gonna stir that a little bit. There we go. Then I use the 2 strands that I just cut to tie in the back, just to make sure that it's secure and it's not going anywhere, since I already cut off the elastic band. How's everyone's day going? Hope y'all are all doing good. So now I'm just gonna pull this wig cap a little bit forward. Sometimes I like to spray it down with Got2b, sometimes I don't, but this time I'll probably just do it just to show y'all what I would do. Before I used to put the wig cap on, spray the Got2b, and then cut it, but I recently just started cutting off the elastic band and then spraying the Got2b. Please excuse my hair dryer, it's a mess. I've had this since I was like 13, so. Alright, I'm just gonna trim this part off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the wig. Y'all, I'm not plucking this wig, I'm not bleaching this wig, I'm not doing anything to this wig, I'm just putting it on. Y'all know how I am. This wig is so freaking pretty. So for the placement of this wig, you can kind of see where my wig cap is. This is very thin. Oh my gosh. None of the lace of my wigs are this thin, so I really have to like glue this down so you cannot see the separation. That's crazy. And so if y'all like thin lace, this is the wig for you, because you can see everything through this lace. So what I'm trying to do is get the wig to fall a little bit over where the wig cap stops. I don't know if that'll be too far up my forehead. Go in with my NYX foundation and use my old foundation brush and basically apply it to the front of my wig cap, because this the lace for this wig is very, very transparent. And I just kind of want to blend it in with my skin color so it's not showing the wig cap so obviously. I'm kind of mad because I just washed my locks And this powder is gonna end up in them. And it's okay. It is okay. Just to see if that helped. So that's a little bit better. You can't really see it like that. It's a little bit better. You can still see the line, but it's much better than where it was at before. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off again, and I'm gonna cut off the lace. So I'm just gonna use some water, just regular water, spray it onto the hair, comb it back with my comb, and then cut off the lace. I do not cut the lace in any way, y'all. I just cut it off as close as I can to the hairline. Alright, so I just finished cutting the lace. Alright, so what I'm going to do is push the hair back a little bit, apply the got2b to the front of my hair. And some people like to dry the got2b before adding the wig, but I never understood why they do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the wig on top of it wet, just like that. Let me slide it back a little bit, right there. Oh my gosh, now that I'm looking at this wig, it reminds me of Beyonce. I did not know why I did not think about that earlier. I'm telling y'all right now, this wig is so soft, like so soft. So this is just water again that I'm using, and I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and just brushing through it. Y'all, do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see the body? A little uneven. I'm just gonna straighten up the parting. You can tweeze the parting if you want it to be a little bit wider, but I'm just gonna leave it as is, honestly. Alright, so moving on to the edges, what I do is just go to a side of the hair and just bring out some hair. What I like about this wig is that it's a T-part wig, but it still has like a frontal part at the very front. I just love that. I feel like that's so important. And a lot of wigs should start doing that. Like a lot of T-part wigs should start doing that. So it has space for the edges, because sometimes people want edges for a T-part wig. Sometimes it does not come with any room for edges, and I just love that this one does. Alright, so these are the edges. I try to make it around the same place. The lace is already lifting up. I have to spray some more got2b, but let me go ahead and just do the edges now. I'm taking my got2b glue gel and just putting it on all the hairs that I brought up for my edges, just like so. just enough like that. I can add more later. I'm taking my toothbrush, or if you have an edge brush, you can use that. That's what I use. I've been using this for like years. I've never found anything to replace this, or I haven't really been looking for anything to replace it, because why fix what's not broken, you know? So I just style the edges the way I want. Just kind of make a little swoop. Some people like to cut their edges before, but sometimes, I don't know, I just feel like I like to play it safe when it comes to hair. Yeah, I just like to play it safe when it comes to hair, so I want to be extremely careful so I don't cut too much off. There we go. Now I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it straight across. Just like that. And that is the hair that I cut off. On the edges, it looks like I missed a couple strands, but that's fine. Just going to do the edge again. And then get my scissors and cut the rest off just like that. Super simple. Oh, missed some again. There we go. Just like that. And it's gonna be left like that. So cute. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Do the same exact thing. And get some got-to-be glue. I'm just gonna spray where my edge is and where that lace was, just to make sure everything's in place. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go in with my hair wax stick, and I'm just going to apply it to the top of my hair and the front of my hair so there's no flyaways and it's just a sleek look. I love this stuff. Alright, darlings, so this is what it's looking like. I'm just combing through it. I think I'm just gonna wet it a little bit, just to, I don't know, just to smooth out the flyaways just a little bit, but I love this wig. Do y'all see how cute this looks? It is so cute. Yeah, this wig is beautiful. Hold on, I'm about to stand up and show y'all how it looks and how long it looks on me. Again, my height is 5'3", so if you're taller, if you're shorter, it might fall, it might fit differently on you. It might look a different length on you, because I have been told that that does happen. So I'm about to stand up right now once I'm done combing through everything. I don't know why this side looks like this. Alright y'all, so this is how the hair looks on me. When I stand upright, it just comes right below my boobs. And then I put it in the back, mid-back right here. So it's fairly long. Not like long, but I think it's a decent length. That is basically the end of the install. I'm gonna get cute. I might straighten it just to show y'all how different it can look. While I'm getting ready, I'll decide that. So I will see y'all soon when I'm all done up, and I'll come back and show y'all the finished look. Alright, my beautiful darlings, so this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. I love the way that it looks. I love the length. I love the body that it has. It is so nice, so easy to work with. The color is so beautiful. I love the brown and blonde highlights. So this is in its natural form, the body wave that it came in. I might just straighten it and show y'all how it looks. I absolutely love the length of it. For some reason this side isn't curling. So soft. This was so easy to install and it just looks so neat. As y'all saw, I did not do much to it, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to do it differently this time just to talk through it, so just in case if anyone had any trouble installing wigs or didn't know how to install wigs, I really hope that this video helped. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know if you do decide to buy this wig. I am telling y'all, this wig is amazing and this is one of my new favorites. It looks so cute and it just gives me Beyonce vibes. Like, who doesn't want to be like Beyonce? There's that. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. I think I'm crazy. Yeah, I've been crazy.